What is this? Oh, my mouse is already dirty. All right, switching to Trello. Okay, sweet. Business is booming. First once again. Contemplating my life choices that led me here being first all the time. Well, you can do both, in theory. 2 days. Oh. I don't know how to promote old videos. Maybe just mention them in chat. But thank you for stopping by, and thank you for saying that about the shorts. I think I saw you left a comment. I just didn't read it yet. So yeah, good luck with your studies and everything. I'm glad the videos were helpful. I do need to make more shorts. My goal is to take a video and break it down into 1 or 2 shorts in the future. Try and make something of it. Anyhow, you know what I love? OBS doesn't show me how many viewers I have or anything, and it's just nice. Okay, so we did the navbar yesterday. Let me go ahead and crack open VS Code. Oh, sick. TwitLess is already open. Now, I am going too slowly because I'm applying. I'll think better of that one. Nope, that's YouTube Studio. Good job, Mark. There we go. I just showed the studio again, and that time you saw the tabs. Oh boy. No, there's nothing terrible there. Testing browser. Come on, Mark. You're better than this. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I realize I'm going too slow, which is okay to a degree, but I don't want to go slow. npm start. Wait, is it already launching on this node? Oh, rip. Okay. It's already up. Localhost 4200. I don't want to go slow. That's not my goal here. So I need to get this front end stuff just done, right? It doesn't need to look good. It just needs to be done. Hello, Jim. Thanks for stopping by again. I mean, I'm just like thinking of the last couple of streams. Let me go and open Spotify actually. And I don't know. Today I'm gonna just finish this header component, and then my goal for next week is gonna be to finish all the pages. So if we look at Trello, I'm planning real quick, is to finish all of the pages, just make them look like something, because I want to get into TypeScript. I want to get into the fun stuff. I'm gonna hit yes on desktop audio. We're gonna yeet it down a lot. And is my mic down too? My mic is not turned down that much. Let's go ahead and do some 1977. View album. All right, turn that down for me. Excuse me. Let me just do a little some edits here. We're gonna do a little window capture. Please do not capture something bad. Okay, captured exactly what I wanted. Nice. And we'll go ahead and minimize this. Well, not minimize, but you know what I mean. Cool. And now if I go to Trello and Planning, okay, we got it on the bottom left. It's still a little. There we go. Cool. Okay, so more for future me, if anything, honestly. I want to just get this front end crap done and over with. Did I keep the PDF? I think no. Okay. It's so big, it's really annoying. But I want to just grind through these pages. So this is going to be, I need to make a DM preview component, DM opened component. This will pass information, because what I want to do is the fun stuff. I want to pass information from this thing. Let me just turn off face cam and stuff for a moment. I want to get Bite Kangaroo here and move it over, be able to show the content from Twitter and stuff. On active threads, I want to be able to tap something. Like I want to get into the coding that requires me to tap this, and then it opens here, get in the loop. I want to be able to write the backend thing so it shows the stuff. I want to start doing the backend stuff. And I'm, in a way, getting impatient with myself, which is okay. I just need to not make sure I don't get ahead of myself. So let's go ahead and wrap up this header. We have the CSS open, which is wonderful. Let's go ahead and make a new terminal just so I don't accidentally Control-C that. Can I just... I think this is a little risky. Yeah. All right, we're going to keep testing browser open. Go back to code. Okay. All right. I'm going to just look at code and see if I can get this done real quick. I want, if you look at the header on Trello, the picture to be the left of the logged in as, which means, how did I structure this again? Header profile picture. Okay. If I display this as block, and then display in, is that logged in the one that's, yeah. Okay, yeah, that'll do. And then if I display inline block on this, maybe just block. Nope, okay. What I can do though is put a little BR action here. Doesn't really work for me. What's the greater header left width? 10% of the parent. So background color red. Text align left. Wonderful. All right, we'll keep that there for now. Header username should be text align center. Nope. Okay, the problem is this is still header left doesn't exist. Wait, what? Header right float right, but this is gonna break it. Yeah. I want everything in line. Nothing should be block. Right. Header wrapper should be block. That's fine. Because as soon as everything's inline, good. It's all, well, as per definition, inline. If I remove display inline from the username, it should space there. Perfect. Let's not float this. Text align left on header left, header right. text align. All right. Great. I don't know why. Oh, let's remove this. Let's cut it, focus on the margin. No, what? If I remove the profile picture, is that gonna? Nope. Logged in as. Oh. There we go. Okay, so these are still off center, right? Oh, you can't see because of my. Wonderful. Header wrapper. Huh. That's cute. Okay, we definitely want this to be blocked. That's fine. Why am I struggling? I mean, I want, at the end of the day, I want this to be text align left. So the problem is this needs to be floated to the right, but then it gets removed from the element. I'm curious. I were to do time, what is this? Yeah, no, that still does that. Okay. But this bumps the content down. I could use an invisible. Okay, you know what? Like I said, I don't want to just move on. Okay, here's what we can do. We can say that header left has a width of, let's say 45%. And it's going to have a margin 0 at the top, or auto at the top, and 2% on the left and right. And then we're going to do the same exact thing on header right. You know what I'm saying? Let's go back to code. Great. But now we want the header right to be floated to the right, which is going to kind of be better than it was, I guess. Header left, why it has no background color, I don't understand, but I'm not going to worry about it. Maybe if I remove this, it'll show. Nope. There we go. Maybe I should forget about the inline stuff for a second. Okay. Header right, we'll give this a background color of green. Because what we could also do, if it's got a margin on the left and right of 2%, we can override this and say margin left 45%, 50%, which bumps it over. But then we need to. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I'm thinking if I think 2-column layouts. Oh, you know where I've done this? Margin top, okay. So the main column. Give me more styles. Main column body. Okay, main column is floated left. Secondary column is floated right. Okay. Float left. Okay, so if I float this left, and then I say margin 0, padding 0, height 100. I don't want that. Okay, header left and then header right. We do the same thing. Margin 0, padding 0, and then float right, because it's standard 2-column layout science. So this, I mean, look, this technically works beautiful, but obviously we need, oh, is that what the height 100% does? Local man discovers CSS. No, it doesn't. Wait, not that. I mean, I don't need the width then, right? Okay, in theory, no. On the left I do though. We'll just do width like 20%. Because I want to make sure that text has enough space to show up. Was it not showing up with 50%? Oh, that's massively unfortunate. I'm just blind. Okay, we'll worry about that later though. Floated elements go outside of parent div. Like I know it's the property of float. Can I? Oh wait, if I float the parent, is that legal? No, because that's gonna mess everything up. It did mess everything up. I think it's because the wrapper that it's in. It's okay. You know what? That's functional. I will take it. Look at that. Incredible. I just want this out. This means, if I'm right, we can do display block, which is going to do the same thing. Yeah. And then we do the header logged in text. Display inline. It's doing what I want, but not for the right thing. Maybe this is where I need the width. Nope. There's a way to thank you. It is inline block. Great. Okay, display inline block. Please do what I want you to do. No. Nope. Frick. It's gonna bump it down. Yeah. I think actually, what I can do, because this will bump these both, no. I want them both to be blocks, I want them both on separate lines. But then, dot header left text display inline, and then div class equals header left text. Frick! I really thought that was gonna work. Hey, there we go. Look at that, incredible. Let's get rid of the red. Oh, let's see. Can I get rid of the width flag? Brilliant. We have a header, ladies and gents. We have a header. The spacing is off, but that's fine. So proud of myself. All right, let's go over to Trello. Look at that header component. Boom. Not even gonna worry about poor styles. Let's go ahead and just put it everywhere. So if I'm at messages, I want to see the header in all of these pages. How did I think I had a task for this. I'm not sure. We'll do some TypeScript today with this. I can do this research at the end or whatever I'm on. We have a header component. Right now we're on dev, right? Oh, we're on the home page. So if I take the app header, I can just I have no problem with this. Can I put it? No, because I don't want it on the app component. I mean, I could say if logged in is true. Note. Could I potentially do an ND if? No, that's because then you can fudge it and then you break things. So we'll go to active threads. We'll go to in the loop. To be fair, now all I have to do is just update the header and it'll update everywhere. Throwback to when I did this with PHP and I just included everything everywhere. All right. Sorry, I meant to shut the code for that, but whatever. Refresh login page. Here we are. No header. We go to home. Oop. Messages. There's no header. I forgot to put it on messages. No, I didn't. Uh-oh. Never mind. It's here. Okay. Home. Messages. Active threads. Get in the loop. Settings. I can worry about when that refreshes later. Oh, that's a good note, actually. Does the header re-render? Because I don't want it to. Use this time to also check if the header re-renders components. I know there's, so you can see, a way to ensure single page apps load properly and don't refresh. Let's keep that in mind. Cool. Okay, let's do the sign-in stuff because why not? Get into some local storage. That's awesome. Probably. All right, login page. We get to do some actual coding this time. On sign in click, we can go to, let's get rid of this. Actually, let's just really quick. Git add, git commit. The more time I spend on design now, the more I'm gonna have to tweak it later. So, login page component TS. All right. I want a little form to pop up. How do I do that? Sub here. I click it. I want. Oh, I could do something really simple. I can go here and say, label type equals text area. Enter beta code here, or just text. Doesn't show up. What? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, input, sorry. It is. Oh, there's no closing. What? Why did I not know that? Okay, well, anyway. Enter beta code here. Why is this below the bubble? Oh, it's not below the, that's why. Okay, I want to do something fancy though. Like two-way binding, for example. And this is PHP storm. I'm gonna get so upset with myself for making the choice to use Laravel for the back end. Like I don't fully know why I'm forcing myself to do this in PHP, but like I really want to challenge myself with it. Anyway, I want to make this a pop-up, but for now this will suffice. I can do *ng if button pressed. Show beta code. Boolean false. I know, I just changed this. So what I'm gonna do is if show beta code, and then I'll say if show beta code equals true, then, or sorry, false. We're just gonna show beta code equals true, and then we're just gonna return. So now we come back to the page, click login, enter beta code here. Enter beta code here. p style equals font size 8 pixels. I don't need anything complex. Just your general insanity. Yeah, it's all on the line. Press log in again when done. Press log in again. Cool. Let's change that to 10. Why not? Do I want this above the button? It really doesn't matter. Cool. And then you enter, and then if it's false, change this to red. There's an ng if else kind of thing, isn't there? No, not Blender, please. Ng if else. Shorthand in the directive is generally used for condition to render. Content to render when a condition is true. Form with an else block. Cool. This is exactly what I want. See, this is what's great about courses. For anyone, I don't know, watching this or whatever. I know these things exist. I don't remember how to do them. But I know that there's a way to do this. I don't have to do a bunch of ng ifs. I mean, technically I'm about to. But what I can do instead is I can say here, p ng, so this, show this, ng if, condition is code checked. So if not code checked, right? So code checked Boolean equals false. I need to make sure all this is typed. This is going to return a Boolean. No, this is going to return void, sorry. This is also going to return void. Code check. Otherwise, else, we say show error, code error. So now I could say ng template code error. Content to render. Okay, this is supposed to be in a div, I guess. Do I put the whole p tag inside? God damn, this gets real complicated real fast. Yes, I do. So then I would say this p style equals font size 10 pixels, color red, incorrect error or incorrect beta code entered. Log in with Twitter, But now, if I go ahead and change this to true, then we'll see incorrect beta code entered. Wow, frick, heck yeah. God, I love documentation. So, we return to sign and click. If this, then you show beta code. Okay. Two-way binding here. Bind text area to variable Angular. Two-way binding. Thank you. Two-way to command expression parentheses. Next command. The output property must use the pattern. I just want an example. Okay. So I want at input code text string. I'm ready to do some reading. I need to import something. Requires ng model. I just don't know where to put it. Thank you, New York. Is it like extends ng model? Or do you just import it? Tell me, VS Code, what do you recommend? Oh, from Angular Core. Maybe. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Okay, so the code here, we'll start with that. Yeah, okay. Excuse me. This ordering is disgusting. Okay, so we have an input. And then we have an output, which is going to be output code text change. This new event emitter, which checks out, and we're going to release a string from this. We're going to go ahead and update this. Sorry, import this. I don't know why alt enter is not working. I'm assuming it's also from ng core. We'll find out. The size of command depends by click event and incrementic methods. Yes. Okay. And then you can just call size inside here. So I want to fill the text box, right? Is it just name? Code text. No, it's not. Content? Oh, I need. No. Why am I struggling with this? What go? Is it placeholder? No. I mean, I want placeholder to be that, but place text in a text input. Put HTML. Type equal. Oh, is it value? Ah, there we go. Cool. Okay, value is equal to code text. We're gonna. Okay. Console.log. This dot code text. Okay. So let's go here. Let's go ahead and inspect. Let's check the console. How do I log in with Twitter? Okay, CT is still code here. Okay, I'm getting 9 out of 10 of those. Okay, so this is not changing, which I expected because I haven't bound this yet. So so is it just boom boom? That can't be right. I mean, clearly it isn't. Font size two-way bound. Ah. Wait a minute. So I want it to be code text, be two-way bound to Rika-chan, help me, give me your angular string. Oh, dude, I was thinking about that movie last night. I've yet to start rewatching it. I need to wrap this up in a minute because I have other stuff I need to get done. Ah, frick. See, I could do this in 5 seconds and react, but that's not the point, Mark. That's not the point. That's not the point. What I could do is, instead of two-way binding, I could say this dot doc and get HTML tag from component Angular. I really want to figure out the two-way binding though. I It feels like an easy way out, you know? Okay, so we have this string that's an input, and then we have code check change, which is equal to new event emitter. When someone hits this button on click, it calls the decrement function, which changes this dot resize and changes the size variable. Bind text box to variable Angular. I'll just stray from the documentation for a moment. Oh, wait, value. You just said value equal to. I was combining multiple things. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Value is equal to code text. This is one line of Python. What are you talking about? One line of Python? That's a lie. You're telling me you can bind a text box to a variable in one line of Python? Is that what you're talking? Can you make a text box in one line of Python? Is that? I'm sorry. Man. So this is where we're at, right? Refresh. Code here. We see that it's not changing on the bottom. Oh, frick, this song is a banger. I need to emit an event. Bind value in Angular two-way binding. Yes, thank you. I know what one of my binding is. Yes, I know how to do that. Funny enough. I don't want to do this on a mouse click, though. ng model. Oh. Using this in the value of the variable name is not only shown as a... Wait, is that it? This strikes me as familiar. Import. No. Something's off here. God, I'm clueless. ng model. That's good meme. Okay. I'm so determined to find this specific way. Sync cells from the UI to a property and vice versa. Yes. NG model is recommended to a data binding. NG model directive with the one way. Okay, input. Type equals text. NG model. Why? Oh, you know what? It's not imported in the app module, is it? Frick, where do you have to... Import form module, wait. Do I have to import it here? Bro, I am so clueless. Okay, hang on. G model. Why are you red? Sure. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, because it's a component. I get that. Browser module, form module. Oops. Wait, what? What's happening? I'm not in Japanese mode. It's very strange. Save this. There we go. Okay, it just wasn't working the first time for some reason. But I did need to import it. Does that work? Oh. It's just that easy. Beta code. It's just that easy. All right. It really was that easy? Are you kidding? Code text? Did I even need this? I didn't even need the input output stuff. Cool. I mean, I remember from something, it just definitely seemed too complicated, but okay. Fixed pug, yeah. It was never broken. I just got it working. Okay, so now it's simple. We go in here and we say if this dot code text equals atarv pog. I forgot my parens. You silly Python people are getting in my way. Then Boom. Refresh. Otherwise, code check equals true. Incorrect beta code entered. Test. ATAR pog. Oh wait, gotta show you the ATAR pog 2. Nah. ATAR pog. Yeah. Imagine hard coding beta codes. Dude, want to see something even better? Bcrypt. Wait for it. Okay, what's my beta code? Encrypt. Ready for this? So make me npm install bcrypt -- save. This is gonna get frick. I forgot it's YouTube. This video is gonna get yeeted so fast. It sucks. I'll just mute it if I need to. The whole video is gonna be gone. This has been the best one. Oh wait, you know what? The music hasn't been playing this whole time. Because I never set the right speaker. That's hilarious. That's just funny. That's just amazing. Okay, if this could if bcrypt dot, how do I import this again? Import bcrypt. Bcrypt npm. Because all music is copyrighted pretty much, and YouTube is really good at picking it up. And so it would just either delete the video, have me demonetize it, or mute the entire thing where there's music being played. Const bcrypt. No, that's... Can I do... Wait, what? That's not Angular syntax. I mean, yeah, I did it on purpose. Duh. How do I unhash? Oh, I can't. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. If bcrypt.compareSync this.code text and this epic hash, then we navigate. Then we say, yeah, you can go for it. Otherwise, it's true. You can't get around this. All part of the plan. Hell yeah. I need to get sunglasses for that guy. And that's why we don't show desktop. Cannot resolve. Don't I have to do it this way? Yeah, okay, I was right. Import, okay. Import star as bcrypt from bcrypt.js. My React part of me is not friendly with this. It's kind of fascinating, I guess. Bcrypt for Angular. Yeah, it doesn't work though. Never ever trust uses input, obviously. Yeah, I don't care enough to make this secure right now. npm uninstall bcrypt. Just want to be done with this for right now. And I'm not gonna send this in yet. I mean, it's not like it's deployed. Install bcrypt. So come over here. We go to login page. Oh no, it's not right. Test. Oh no, it's not right. Well, if we do this, boom, it's right. Okay, cool. So going to the Trello board. I'm gonna do my sprint planning later. But yeah, signing dim. Bum. This needs to get done today as well, and I'll do these things. Yeah, not this. This is a, what do you mean triple equals yikes? You have to do that in JS, man. Python scrub. Triple assert your equals, dude. Sorry. Yeah, you know what? This can also come as I redesign all aspects of the site when there's a working backend. We're gonna do points. We're just gonna set this to 100. Everything's gonna look, yeah. So I can focus on design forever. This is an aesthetic thing that I can do later. Page I've had an air component. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do sprint planning later, but thank you for coming by the video and the stream. I don't know how people do the music thing, but I'll try and figure it out. Maybe I'll have like a link to a live Spotify in the description in the future. But anyway, yeah. So we've got things kind of working, which is kind of exciting. You know, login page, you log in, there's a code section. And for now, and so my next goal is gonna just have all these pages styled, and get a backend working. So next week's goals are effectively going to be styling tasks for pages and then getting backend up to start. And I could do OAuth after that, but working with OAuth should come after pages are all styled and filled. Backend should also exist so that info and fill it somewhere with fake data prior to API calls. Yes, and then next up, after backend and pages, use a bunch of fake data. Cool. So yeah, thank you for coming by. We will start off next week with a banger of a sprint. The energy this morning was great. I worked almost all the way until 10, my favorite. Thank you to everyone who came by at the start, in the middle, at the end. What was our concurrent viewer count? It's not going to be very high. If you want to use the beta code, feel free to. Or keep it or whatever. It's going to be showing on stream later. I could just change type to password, I guess. But I'm just curious. We're gonna push everything to Git in just a moment. Concurrent viewers too. How was I not subscribed before? Oh hey, DJ, come on. I think you were here a while back, and then I just never streamed again. So I did that week or something. Sorry about that. I apologize. Okay, let's go ahead and do this together. The power of friendship. Git add dot git. I shouldn't use dot, but whatever. Git commit. Beta code now added. Git push. And thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. Everyone who's watching this should do what DJ Come On just did and subscribe. All right. We could even go, I'll do the pull request later. Have a good one, everybody. Have a great weekend, and I really hope to see you Monday. See ya.